Hello everyone, and welcome to another one of our TechnoWeld how-to videos. Today we'll be going over the Armour Headgear 2.0 and replacing all of the dials and knobs that are fixing to the side of it. So first you'll take this screw, it just goes applied right in the middle here, and then we'll take our limitation washer, followed by our adjustable washer. Then we'll apply the rubber spacer in between here, just kind of sits right in there. And then our right angle washer. Similarly, on the other side, you'll have a left angled washer for that component. And then this is where you would apply the helmet and then actually apply the following washer bit and final screw. There we go.